here in the gateway to the west. Chattanooga Red Wolves and Union Omaha, USL League One here on ESPN+. Howdy folks, I'm Peyton Gallagher. Misael Rodriguez back for another start after being out of the starting 11 for a little bit of time here as of late. On the other side of things for Scott McKenzie, freest scoring sides in the USL League One to this point in the season as we approach the Meridian stage, and we're off. From Nebraska, Union Omaha. Swinging forward. This is Misael Rodriguez on the run. And whipped in, TJ Bush. Pluck it up. Taken short. Cutting clear is Kunga. And just somehow kept out. Spun out of his gloves and just pinned up from Omar Hernandez with outswing. Routine from the training ground. Nuhu again, less than confident in goal as he palms that one out. A loose pass and then a loose touch. Lagos Kunga in pursuit, still Lagos Kunga. Wriggling away, laid back and stabbed out of the path of danger. Just teasing the ball forward. Kunga, incisive pass, back heel, right back to Rodriguez, and rifles it high. Lagos Kunga winding away, centering pass, Dos Santos. What work from Lagos Kunga. Had his man on toast. Turned it inside, and Dos Santos. Marco Milanese runs over it. Shots away and just grazes the ball on the way through. Milanese crossed in, headed along, and that is a highlight of a save. TJ Bush touching it over the frame from one of the league's very best. World-class reaction. And Norti. Good work there from Kunga. Whipped wide into the center, running onto it's Marco Milanese. Laid off Kunga. What a tackle that is. Shots in. Off the bar, Kunga, and finally the piercing punch. Showing the pearly whites, all smiles from him. It started with Milanese. Sailing to Rodriguez, soaring to the back post, headed on. Bush has this. A tame header all said and done from Dolabella. Now here's Norti and Zico Lewis in great combination. Malone, back post, Dolabella. And with the goal staring him in the face, Dolabella blinks. And through the fingers like sand. Dolabella just cut it as he was still falling back to Paez. A moment of opportunity, stricken towards goal and just punched away. It was Mensah who rose to that at the back post, felt perfectly. Right here for Chattanooga Red Wolves. Off to the races is Pedro Hernandez. Slipped through, hit towards goal, and my goodness, that has trickled over the line. Down a man, up a goal. Chattanooga Red Wolves surge to the advantage. Aron Gomez drifting in. Once more, back post ball, Gomez! Unable to guide it by TJ Bush. Could he be the man for this particular moment? Gomez, that's a great ball, Bush! Rises to the occasion and denies Pedro Dolabella.